All right, so this is going to be a great video because I have my group hat on with the Hennessy bottle, so it's going to be solid. All right, so one of the great features that Wix has is what's called the personalized resource kit. So you'll see here the personalized resource kit is a section within the actual dashboard itself that you can kind of customize for each client. So this is a client I have here, and what you're able to do is create resources that the client can use to be able to figure different things out. Because, you know, you'll probably get a question from a client asking like, hey, how do I do this or how do I do that? And one of the benefits of working with Wix is allowing business owners to make their own changes whenever they want. So how this personalized resource kit works is that you'll click edit, right? And then this little window pops up here. So I already set this up for a particular client. I have what's like called like a welcome video, thanking clients for hiring me and basically enjoy your website. You know what I'm saying? And I hope you become a billionaire and we make money together forever. Right? So I had that standard video as the first one. And then from there, I did a personal video as far as connecting social media accounts because it can be tricky, and being able to figure out all the different things and ways clients will get confused. I kind of created my own version, but you'll see here that there's a bunch of other videos here, right? So if I click add resources, you'll see here that there's this first section that says your video and docs, which at that point you can upload all your own videos and add them to the resource kit, or it can also be images or documents like it states here, right? The other option is that you click videos from Wix Studio, and Wix gives you a plethora of different videos to kind of click to be able to give the clients access to. So you have booking, communicate with clients, bookings, manage your staff and schedule, e-commerce, growth as far as marketing, blog, CMS, you know, so there's a lot of great videos here, and I'm pretty sure with time, they're just going to increase the amount of tutorials and videos that they do have, right? So I think this is a great resource to be able to kind of just give your clients and have them be able to watch the videos and kind of figure things out on their own without always having to contact you, which is a huge selling point. And it also just adds more value, right? So you'll see here in this next section, it just displays the agency details, number, email, website, and you can edit it in the business info section. And then here's how to invite them, give them a role on the site, make them a site collaborator, and then they will have access to the resource kit. So to kind of finish this up, this is really great for agencies to be able to produce kind of customized experiences for each client. So with this particular client, it's not an e-commerce client, so it didn't make sense for me to give them access to the e-commerce videos, but this is definitely a great site as far as for bookings and marketing, things of that nature. So that's why I sent these videos. So hopefully you're using Wix and Wix Studio. If not, I don't know what you're doing. So yeah, great feature. Great set of resources, create your own videos, and just to kind of show you what it looks like when you click on it. And it's, all right, so it's me. I was actually going to create that. Right. So this is a great feature. See you guys next time.